Hi Year 2, so week 4 of your remote learning. Do you know what a limerick is? A limerick is a kind of poem that has 4 lines generally. This week we're going to be thinking about limericks and your teacher. So if you think of me, I've written a limerick. Would you like to hear it? Mrs. Bozier is small and funny. She likes to speak French. Mais oui. She has taught us the value of money and how to carry a bench. You've got 4 lines and they often do rhyme. Think about your teacher. You're going to try and write your own limerick and then you can perform it to whoever's at home. Listen to mine again if you'd like to and then try your own. Reading this week, keep looking in your box, see if you can find your poetry books. If you can find some limericks, that's great. Otherwise, let's just focus on our poetry. Have a look in Bug Club and make some choices on a poetry theme. So writing is that poem. You've rehearsed it and then you're going to write it down. If I just show you mine, you've got your remote learning, but what you want to do is make your lines rhyme. So Miss Bozier is small and funny. What I'm going to do is rhyme funny. So I'm going to write another line. She likes to speak French, capital F. My first and my third line often rhyme. Actually, in this case, I've got that wrong. It's my first and my fourth. She has taught us the value of money. So money is rhyming 1, 2, 3, and then you've got 2 and 4. Miss Bozier is small and funny. She likes to speak French. She has taught us the value of money and how to carry a bench. 1 and 3 rhyme. Funny rhymes with money. French rhymes with bench. So that's your speaking, your reading and your writing. Your phonics this week are prefixes. If I just come back up here again, I've written the word kind on there. I could put a prefix in front and then I change the meaning. So if I use the prefix un, my word kind becomes unkind. If I write fit, if I use my prefix un, I can change the meaning of my word. You have got some snap cards here. You've got lots of your root words and you've got the words with a prefix. Cut them out and play snap. You can play with whoever is at home. Your maths this week, we're carrying on with problem solving. We're thinking about time, distance and mass. You've got a sheet like this and again you've got some cards to cut out. Time to travel to school, time taken for mustard and cress to grow. You're going to be thinking about which would take the longest. You've got distance, you can jump in the air. Distance, you can kick a football. Which one would take the longest? Would you jump higher or would you kick a ball further? And then you've got mass. Mass is how much something weighs. The mass of a blown up balloon or the mass of a chocolate bar. So just have a little think about it. Time, distance and mass, and see if you can order them from distance, the shortest to the longest, the shortest time to the longest time, to the lightest to the heaviest. I'll be back in a minute with your foundation subjects. See you in a minute. Bye.